Guys, for today's video, isang online lending app na pwede natin ituring na legit talaga. Ano yung sabihin ng legit? Meaning SEC registered, hindi daw nanghaharas, customer-oriented, and most especially, hindi siya shark loan or hindi siya nagpapataw ng grabeng interest. Yan. So, sino ba tong online lending app na to? At para ba sa lahat to? Well, pag-usapan natin si Tomo o tinatawag nila ngayong eTomo. Samahan niyo ako pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron ako experience or meron na akong knowledge. At ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so yun nga, another online lending app itong re-reviewin natin. Pero Tomo or eTomo, hindi naman siya bago. Matagal na rin naman siya sa lending industry. It's just now na updated yung app niya. And yung pangalan kasi, kung alam nyo yung Lend Pinoy before, so sila yung Lend Pinoy na nirebrand nila as Tomo and now, nirebrand ulit nila as eTomo. So si eTomo ay, ang may hawak sa kanya ay si End Financing Corporation. And kung titingnan natin si End Financing Corporation sa SEC website, makikita naman natin siya as a legit financial institution. So ito siya. Yan. So ano meron dito kay eTomo? Well, tingnan natin yung website nila kung ano yung ina-advertise at ino-offer nila. Okay, search natin yung eTomo. Ito, etomo.ph. Ito nga, may notice to the public na to. Sinasabi niya na yung eTomo daw, formerly Lend Pinoy, is not in any way connected or affiliated with the Lend Pinoy app. So, right now, merong app sa Google Play Store na makita nyo na Lend Pinoy, pero hindi daw sila affiliated dyan. Kasi nga, dati, ang pangalan nila, Lend Pinoy, pero ngayon, pinalitan na nila as eTomo. So, ito yung sinasabi ng website ni eTomo, fast approval, normally, and easy to apply, normally. Okay, up to 100,000 with 12 months, right friend for the right time. Approve yet a loan. Ito daw, why we are better than other lending apps. So, within 24 hours approval lang daw or same day. Only 3 steps to apply, no hidden fees, and legit. Okay. Ito, pwede natin gamitin to kasi upon researching, nakita ko na malapit sa mga legit na financial lending companies natin like Atome, G-Loan, yan. So, ganun nalilinya yung interest rate ni eTomo. Kaya sa tingin ko, pwede natin gamitin itong calculator nila. Okay, tingnan nyo natin dito. Withdrawal limit tayo ng 20,000 pesos. Okay, sa 20,000 pesos at babayaran natin siya within 12 months, ang minimum payment daw natin ay 2,866 or 1,200 pesos per month na interest. So, kunin natin yung 2,866. 2,866 times 12, yan, nagiging 34,392 ang total repayment natin. I-minus natin dyan yung principal amount na 20,000 pesos. Ang total interest natin ay 14,392. I-divide natin yan by 20,000, yung principal, para makuha natin yung interest niya per annum. So, lumalabas na 71.96% ang interest niya per annum. So, malapit ito sa mga legit na nagpapautang with the likes of BPs, Revomax, G-Credit, Atome, and Maya Credit. Ayan. So, ito yung previously na na-review natin. And dyan nyo makikita si eTomo with their interest rate of 71%. So, hindi ko siya mako-consider na OLA. Kasi para siyang ACOM or Asia Link yung eTomo. Ayan, parang doon siya nakaklasify. Hindi talaga siya purely na online lending app like Mabilis Cash, One Hand, and etc. Ngayon, paano ko nasabi na okay to? Well, sa requirements. Para kanino ba tong online lending app na eTomo? Well, ang masasabi ko lang ay hindi ganun kadali ang requirement niya. Kasi, nanghihingi si eTomo ng payslip. Meaning, talaga nagba-background check sila, nag-CI sila or credit investigation, kailangan ng proof of income like the payslip and the COE. So, ma-download nyo yung app, yan, makikita nyo na lang, ma-download nyo yung app, and then, makapag-register kayo, and then, eventually, magre-request yan sa inyo for you to upload yung copy of your payslip. 1-month payslip yung kailangan nila. Ibig sabihin lang nito na hindi basta-basta ang pag-a-approve ni eTomo. So, punta na tayo ngayon sa Google Play Store para makita naman natin kung yung details dun sa About section ni Google Play Store. and kung ano yung mga ratings ng mga gumamit. And ano yung magandang feedback nila. So makikita natin walang about info itong Itomo. Bakit kaya? And same lang naman din yung nakalagay dito. Pero ito guys, tingnan nyo to, yung monthly installment. Kung makikita nyo, ang monthly installment dito ay pare-parehas. Pare-parehas in the sense na equal monthly installment. Di katulad ng mga online lending apps na previously na-review na natin, na sa unang payment, halos binayaran mo na lahat and konti na lang babayaran mo sa dulo. Which is, yun yung isa sa loophole para ma-prolong nila yung tinatawag nilang longer payment terms. Pero ito, makikita natin na yung monthly installment ay across the months equal, na usually naman na ganito naman dapat, di ba? And kung makikita nyo, yung interest dito, yung na-discuss ko before, yung inverted triangle, na unang payment yung malaking chunks ng interest, and then the longer it gets, bumababa yung interest na binabayaran mo. And yung principal naman, sa simula, maliit lang yung principal na nababawa sa inutang mo, pero the longer it gets, doon lumalaki yung kaltas sa principal. So, yan, ganyan yan. Kaya medyo confident ako na sumusunod si Itomo sa standard financial practices na halos ganyan yung mga bangko, ganyan magpautang. Yung mga legit financial institutions, GLoan, yan. Ganyan yung kanilang pagbawa sa interest at sa principal. Okay, so tingnan na natin yung yung review. So sa Google Play Store, meron lang siyang 4,000 review at 4.3K. So eto, tingnan natin. Si John Tambasin, sabi niya, approval was granted in less than a day. With funds disbursed into my accounts at 3 p.m., the application process was quick and seamless with no unnecessary delays. Roland provided excellent customer service, patiently assisting me through the entire process, addressing all my concerns. The app's user-friendly interface made the difference smooth and hassle-free. I highly recommend this loan service for anyone in the need of fast and reliable financial support. Ito naman, though November 11 pa to, 2022, tingnan natin. Terrible experience when it comes to the app itself. It doesn't have any options or content when you're done registering and providing all your details and documents. There's no delete option for security purpose, as well as their customer service is unreachable. Totally a scam. And just getting your details, info, beware, should report this to Malacanang as soon as possible. So, ito naman is, ito pa yung previous na experience with Itomo. Ito pa, isa, 2020. Worst application, don't even try to download. They just only gather your information. So ito, ganun din. Feeling ko, ito yung mga hindi na-approve. Usually naman, ganun naman talaga eh. Medyo bitter tayo pag hindi tayo na-approve eh. Okay, pero, guys, ito yung tingnan natin kasi tingnan natin kung bakit sila nagre-rating ng 5-star. Meron ba silang rate muna bago approve? Tingnan na natin yung newest. Okay. Will always be my first choice and kasangga. I hope company will stay stronger in the financial business. Okay. It was a good experience with Itomo, especially with the hands-on agent Nel. Very nice agent to work with. Joseph assisted me for the loan. Good, no hassle. Okay. So, scrolling through this, nakikita ko na puro 5-star, and ito yung nakikita ko ang common denominator sa mga feedback recently is yung agent. So, ganito kasi yan. So, pag nag-apply kayo through the app, pinasa nyo yung payslip nyo and nasubmit na, tatawagan kayo ni Itomo within 24 hours and i-assist kayo sa application nyo. I-verify, parang sort of CI na rin naman. So, i-check yun, i-validate yung details, and i-confirm yung mga nasubmit yung documents. Ayan. So, once na submit na yon, and then magbibigay naman si agent ng feedback kung approve ka or disapprove. Yan. Once na approve, i-disburse yan sa account na ni-nominate mo. So, basically, ganun. So, kaya kung makikita natin dito sa mga ratings ni Itomo is may agent na nag-a-assist. Kaya sabi ko kanina na okay daw ang customer service ni Itomo right now. Ayan, right now kasi may nakita tayong previous rating na medyo hindi maganda yung experience nila because that's 2 to 4 years ago na. So I guess nag-evolve na si Itomo ngayon at in-enhance nila yung kanilang customer service and their process. Though meron ako nakita, isa lang tong review na nakita ko nag-iisa. Okay, Tomo, I'll give a 4-star for now, and after my loan gets approved, I'll give 5-star anyway. I enjoy a very responsive CS, even called me regarding my concern. More power. O, diba? Talagang customer service oriented. Pero, this is way back 2023 pa. Yan. So, clearly, based on the feedback ng mga nakautang na dito kay Itomo, well, ganun nga, customer service oriented dahil ina-assist kayo ng customer service or ng loan officer nila. And ito yung mga criteria para masabi kong okay and legit tong financial institution na to. Okay, number 1, medyo strict sa requirements. Requirements in the sense na naghahanap ng proof of income, hindi lang ID. yung kailangan. Number 2, merong tao na mag-a-assist at tatawag sa inyo to verify or sort of magsi-CI. Yan, number 2. Number 3, yung interest rate niya ay hindi naman nalalayo sa mga legit financial institution na katulad ni ACOM, ni Maya Credit, ayan, ni Atome, 'di ba? Number 4, yung equal payment ng installment. And also, kaya magpa-loan ng up to 12 months. So basically, yan yung mga criteria na masasabi ko na, okay. Okay na company siya para mahiraman. Okay, for our question of the day. Meron na ba kayong na-experience na katulad nito na sobrang ganda daw ng customer service na natatanggap nila? Meaning, nandun talaga yung rapport, yung empathy ng customer service na nakakausap nyo at natutulungan kayo ng customer service na i-resolve yung concern nyo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Irene Bantukan 7417. Sabi niya, thank you for new information. Malaking tulong. At Irene Bantukan 7417, shoutout po sa inyo at maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive ka ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!